National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas, Franklin County in west central Arkansas, eastern Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ozark, Charleston, Greenwood, Lavaca, Mulberry, Dyer, Altus, Branch, Denning, Weederkill Village, Fern, Bloomer, Fort Chaffee, Cass, Washburn, Burnville, Seattle, Tony, Vesta, Peter Pender. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.